this is the best thing that's ever happened to me.
This beautiful landscape. It's really great. There's nothing much like this anymore, is there?
It's the old outdoors. Just
the whole outdoors experience, huh?
People don't get this experience anymore. It's all video games, you know. And computer.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on this right now?
It's really nice. I think kids are missing out. It's all MySpace and Halo 2 for them. And Super Nintendo.
Actually, Halo 3 came out like 2 weeks ago.
I don't have enough money for an Xbox 360.
Oh, wow. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
So, this is nature. This is nature.
This is moss. Do you see this on any buildings or skyscrapers?
No. No, you don't. Just this, it doesn't compare.
It's the best of the best. This rock is the epitome of rocks.
My cigarette's out. My cigarette's out.
Would you like to borrow my lighter? We should use matches because that's what they used back in the 1800s. My nose is a bit numb.
That's nature. That is the nature of nature.
Your nose gets numb in the city, but this isn't a naturic numb.
The nature numb?
Because when you're in the city, you can't say my nose is numb and I'm out in the wilderness. You have to say my nose is numb and I'm in the city. This is the Empire State Building of Germany. We're in Times Square right now.
Someone approaches. Someone approaches. Someone approaches. Stand your guard. Stand your guard. Someone approaches.
They're exercising.
Stand your guard, Colby.
She's looking.
She's looking. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? She's gone. She's gone. Wait. She approaches. She approaches. Hold your guard, Colby. Hold your guard. She's got sticks. Hold your guard!
She's gone.
She's gone.
We're lucky she didn't come down here. Okay, climb it. You ready?
Yeah. It's nature's fortress. It's not made for climbing.
It's inevitable.
Oh, what is this down here?
Fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? This is the kind of shit that just makes me fucking... It makes me fucking sad every time I see shit like this and I just get you all fucking shit, man! Fuck! 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 Ah, shit!
What's wrong?
Do you not see? Do you not see?
Do I not see what?
Do you not see that shit? Why? Why the fuck do you fucking cut down shit for fucking nature? Because you're just gonna use it for your fucking fireplaces? I'm so fucking sad.
We approach a native.
These were the natives.
They
We
were.
started riding on their backs.
These were the original people.
Look how sad he looks. We should free it. His mullet shows business in the front and party in the back.
I think he's trying to hide from us. He didn't like your joke very much. He's kind of...
He's pissed off now.
Should probably leave before this gets nasty. Let's go. Slowly, slowly. Run, run! Oh my god! Oh shit! He's pissed!
Look at me, I'm so pissed off. I'm just a horsey. I'm just a horsey. Oh, look at me.
And as we leave the confines of the forest, we once again become a part, a cog of the machine that is society. But we still carry on our life mission as the defenders of nature. It's sad, you know? It's sad that man created this.
Just keep on the lookout for a disposal site.
For the corruption. That is me. Thing's fucking sturdy. Oh, hell yeah. It's that fucking easy. It's filth. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
More filth?
Shit. That's what makes me happy. Throwing away shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That costs money. Somebody's parents are gonna be fucking mad. We gotta walk back to the trash can. No, we can't. I don't know what to do, really. Ewy, 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 ewy.
Do something funny.
Ewy, 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 ewy. Oh my god, it's a 7-foot fucking man. Hell, what the fuck? Is it sprinting time? I think so. You ready? It's so fucking hot now. It used to be cold. It's all these layers. That's better.
Was he impressed?
Huh?
Was he impressed? Yeah.
It's so fucking cold, man. It's so fucking cold. This was his fucking dumbass idea. It's so fucking hot again, dude. Oh, it's so much better. Holy shit, I was so fucking hot. You coming?
Oh, yeah.